So up next we have the reporting tab. Now this is basically going to be a sum of all of the leads that you have inside of your CRM here. And it's going to work best if you have been up to date with managing your pipeline, choosing which leads go into the one category, like the leads that you've closed and got money from, and also if your attributions are working. So if you're separating your Google Ads leads from your organic leads and your Facebook leads are separate, et cetera, et cetera. Now, if you were to click on create your first report, which is typically what you see here, you are then given the option to create a blank report yourself, which is a little bit hard, choosing from the template library or cloning an existing report. Now, of course, we don't have an existing report in this account right now, and we don't have an existing dashboard that we want to really focus on, so we're going to use the templates. As we come to the templates, you'll see here that there is a handful that you can choose from: lead attribution, call tracking, appointments, and opportunity attribution. Now, the opportunity attribution is the one that most people are going to want to focus on. If I preview this, what you'll see is it takes all the different opportunities you have. Opportunities is just another way of saying your leads or your contacts, and it'll show you, based on the value that you've assigned to each contact, how much revenue that you have gotten, both in terms of the open value, meaning leads that you have not closed, but if you had closed them, you've gotten that much money, and also how much you've won and how much you've lost. Lost is when you have acknowledged that you're not going to get money out of that person and you throw them into the lost section. And this will give you the different sources in which leads are coming from, the opportunities according to the medium, whether they're coming from a calendar, a survey, a form, etc. All these different things will then be populated for you. So if you want that, you can just choose it. It's going to then add the template, and if you give it a few seconds here, it will then populate. So the next time you click on the reports section, it will have all of your data dynamically updated there. And this is where all of this will come in. So we'll just give it a few seconds here. Okay, and as you can see, it has attempted to make a template for me. Of course, this is a blank account. There's nothing in there, but I can just go ahead and hit the save button and I'm all good. Now, I don't really need to schedule this at this particular time, but if you wanted to have it set at a frequent rate, like weekly reports or monthly reports, you can do that, and you can choose to send it to yourself, and that is essentially how you can do the reports. Similarly, if you want to choose your Google Ads account, you can click on that, for example, and you'll see all types of things. These are, of course, sample data that are being provided to us here, but they show you the various campaigns, your revenue, the ROI, all these things are available in this section. And you can choose to see things like call reports, agent reports, essentially any type of statistics that you can think of will be presented to you here in the reporting section.